Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable RCS messaging on your iPhone. RCS basically stands for Rich Communication Services, and it's basically a chat which provides an upgraded, rich messaging experience. So basically it shows you when someone is typing, it gives them a read receipts, and also it shows if the message has been read or received by yourself or by the other party. So let me show you how to enable this on your iPhone running iOS 18. So before we begin, I want to first tell you that this is only available in the US. I am from the UK, so it's currently not available yet. It's still waiting to be released. However, for my US viewers, I'll show you where exactly you need to find RCS settings. So to do this, you want to first go into settings. Next, you want to scroll down until you see apps. Then you want to scroll down until you see messages. Now you want to scroll down until you see text messaging. Now just below text messaging, you'll see RCS messaging. So you want to go ahead and enable this. On screen right now, I'll show you a screenshot of how it should look like on your phone if you have RCS messaging. This is only for the US people, so not for any other countries. So please bear that in mind. Now to enable that, you just need to basically toggle the switch to the right hand side, and that'll basically enable RCS messaging on your iPhone. So there you go, that is how to enable RCS messaging on your iPhone running iOS 18. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.